Hey guys, I thought I would take you through a day in my life. It's Saturday. This morning I have a workout. I do ballroom dance, and the studio I go to does Saturday morning kind of Zumba-y but ballroom focused fitness class. And I always promise them I'm going to come, and it's Saturday morning, so you know, sometimes I sleep in and don't make it. It's kind of sad because it's at 10. And I know that doesn't sound so early, but it's not like I want to like sleep. Well, sometimes I do, but sometimes you know, you just want to lay in your bed. But we're doing it. Let's just get a braid in because it's the only thing that won't make me look crazy. No one is about to lose me in the crowd in this shirt. This has been an eye-opener about how hard it is to find places to put up your phone in your house that are like normal. Like this isn't a normal angle. So here I am bending down in kind of a shadowy darkness. But because I slept until the last minute possible, we grabbed a bar to eat and we're gonna run out the door. Also on my list has to be a car wash because if you saw my cherry blossom video, the pollen destroyed it. All right, that might have to be the spot. We are on the way to my dance studio. It's 9:47 right now. And oh man, it's sunny. And the studio is about 10 minutes away, so we are on time. And truly, they're probably expecting me to not come or to be late because I complain that it's early all the time. So, this is lovely. Where are my sunglasses? I guess I can give you guys like a little play-by-play of the day. So I have this workout and then I'm gonna go pick up some lunch. My mom has decided today is a day of gardening. We're going to put mulch down all around our house after lunch. After that, we're gonna get ready for dinner with my friends. So that's the game plan. We're gonna see what else we can get done in between. All right, team, we're here. I will see you in an hour, hopefully feeling good, sweating, and I got a good workout in. All right. Oh, good music. Don't know if you guys can tell how sweaty I am right now, but I am so glad I went. It's a nice way to start the morning, but now I'm hungry, and you know, this might sound bad, but Wendy's is like right over there, and I'm absolutely gonna get it for lunch. Oh, I'm kind of out of breath walking up the stairs. That's sad. I'm gonna rinse off and just change into more athletic clothes and then eat and relax. Right, I'm all over the place. I did not even, I did shower, but I did not change into more active clothes. We got pajamas on because that's the comfiest way to go if you're gonna be sitting around for a bit. And now it's time for the Wendy's. If anyone's looking at this and is like,
wow, Nikki, you pick such good meals at Wendy's. I need to know what Nikki eats.
it is a number 6 without tomatoes and spicy nuggets and fries. And I asked for their spiciest sauce and they gave me ghost pepper. I'm not a sauce person, but I'm kind of curious to try it. So we can try it together. Yeah, I'm not like, I don't like ketchup, mustard. I'm not that type of person, but I feel like it could be good. Let's find out. Okay, well, I'm stupid and I should have read the rest. It's ghost pepper ranch because I was about to say, oh, this tastes just like ranch. And it does. If anyone's curious, I have a pretty good spice tolerance. It's really not spicy at all, but it's good. So maybe I'm not a tomato or mustard or ketchup person. No, tomato ketchup. See, I'm logical. I don't like tomatoes and ketchup. But if you're someone like me, you might like the ranch. The ghost pepper ranch sauce at Wendy's. So I'm gonna enjoy this, relax a little, watch TV. I'm behind on my Jersey Shore family vacation. And then I'll check back in when my mom gets home and to see when she decides she wants to do the mulch. I am sure you guys were wondering.
Oh my god, what is Nikki doing now that she ate?
I watched, oh, you missed it, Jersey Shore family vacation. And I'm gonna relax. It's like 11:30 now. I don't think my mom's coming home for a little bit. My mom finally came home.
Hi.
Do you want to smile or look like...
Get ready. We're going to be
laying mulch.
after
Yay.
the ground gets cleared up
Yay. So that's our next endeavor of the
to
day.
beautify the garden.
Thank you, Mother.
Okay.
All right, while we wait to mulch, I'm gonna fold some laundry and try to be productive. Well, I'm just a pro. I recorded maybe 5 seconds of that, and then when I thought I was recording the rest, guess what time it finally is? Mulch time! It's only 2:30.
Let's go.
Oh my god, Mom! She's so noxious. Oh my god, that's a lot of mulch. The aftermath. Lots of leaves and twigs to throw out. Let me show you the mulch. I think it looks fairly decent. All right, we're heading off to the dumpster. Throw it all off. Anything you want to say, Mom? Did you have a great time?
It was very good.
Yes.
And she was fighting me on a table.
She has a table which I need her to throw out.
I'm not gonna
It's
throw
so old and dirty. And so once we throw all this out,
No,
I
good thing
will-
I'm thinking about
I
it.
will. Anything you want to say about your loss about the table argument?
I'm not happy about it.
So to reward myself for all my hard work, I bought 2 Tres Leches cakes from a restaurant near my house. All right, we are finally finished. It took the expected couple of hours. And now I'm going to take the longest shower known to mankind. All right, we are back post-shower. I feel super clean. I'm going to try as hard as possible to keep steady and cover my light, or else it does some weird glare. But tonight I am going to dinner with an old friend. So that dance studio I was talking about where I went this morning, a couple weeks ago, I walked in and I saw parents of a friend I had in like middle school and high school. She's a sweetheart and she reached out and asked if I'd want to get dinner or do something. And I was like, heck yeah, I would love to see you. We were super close and she loved horror movies and loves horror movies as much as me. And so we always used to see all the new horror movies that came out and just hang out and have a good old time. So I'm really excited to see her and just catch up, see how things have been. It's been like 6-7 years since I've seen her. We're gonna meet, get some dinner. So I think it'll be a good night. But I am very tired from the day. My body's tired, but the shower helped. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll probably talk to you guys on the drive there. All right, so we are about a 20-minute drive to dinner, and we decided to get some tacos, which I'm super excited about. That sounds like it will hit the spot. It's like interesting because like we were so close when we were younger, and now I'm like kind of nervous to see her because it's been so long. But I'm sure it'll be a blast. I think we'll just like pick up where we left off. Other than that, oh, did I miss my turn? How do I get there? Brain fart. No, I'm good. Okay, I'm back now. I thought I would end the vlog where we started, in the bathroom, just like this morning. I'm gonna take off my makeup one second. But yeah, it was really good to see her, and we just kind of like picked off right where we left off. We were trying to catch up on 7 years that we've missed together. But yeah, it was really nice. We spent like 3 hours chatting at dinner. I've got a little clip of her. I did tell her about my YouTube channel, asked if she cared to be in it or not, and I forgot to do it at dinner, and she was showing me around her apartment, so I took a quick video in the elevator. She was like, oh my god, now I don't know what to do, and I'm like, yep, I'm still trying to figure out what to do when I put the camera on. The amount of makeshift camera stands I have created today is crazy. You're now sitting on some chocolate and candy cane sticks. We're back in pajamas for like the 3rd time today. It's like 10 o'clock, a little past 10. So the rest of my night is gonna consist of scrolling on my phone, watching videos, maybe some TV, and that's about it. I'm gonna call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life, and I'll see you for the next video.